Climbing carabiners are generally lightweight, but for climbers and rescuers they're closely linked to life and death. These hooks and loops are connected to the main rope, allowing the climber to be effectively supported. But can such a lightweight carabiner hold the full weight of a climber? So let's take a look at the process of making it. To make the mountaineering buckles lightweight, you need to use long metal rods and profiles made of aircraft aluminum to make them. This material is lightweight and strong, and aluminum itself is characterized by its lightness and ease of shaping. We will first polish the raw material to remove surface burrs. It is then skinned to form an oxide film on its surface. This way the treated raw material can be sent for forging.